there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at a Ruger SR1911 chambered in 10mm. 10mm has grown in popularity. A lot of people love that round, and many of the gun makers are making firearms chambered in 10mm. And Ruger is right on top of that with this SR1911 and the GP100 Match Champion, both chambered in 10mm. I took this to the range today. I enjoyed it. The recoil was like nothing. If somebody handed me this and said that it was a 45 or a 40 or a 10mm, I really don't think I would have known the difference. But here it is. Retails right at $1,019 average price. I go up and down Gunbroker. I'm seeing it for sale right around $750. So if you are a fan of 10mm, you love the 1911, this would make a great choice. You can see that it does have a stainless matte finish slide and frame. Target sights. The rear sight is adjustable. Here you have your elevation and your windage right there. It has rubber grips, which work well. Today, my hands were sweating profusely. I was like, it was 90, 95 degrees, very steamy, hot. Had no problem controlling this firearm. I mean, I felt in complete control with the rubber grips, although you could switch these out for G10 if that is your choice. It comes with two 8-round magazines. We'll show clear here. Skeletonized trigger and hammer. Thumb safety on the left side of the gun. All right, so it's not an ambi thumb safety. But the trigger is a 70 series. Did I show clear? I think I did. It's a 70 series, so it does not have that firing pin block and the reset right there. And that's what makes these so accurate and makes it easy to stay on target, is this very short reset right there. I noticed the trigger's a little heavier than some of their 45 models, the SR1911. So I'm measuring it in the upper 5s, like 5 3/4 pounds. Sometimes I measured it, it was right at 6 pounds. You really don't notice when live firing, but that's what I'm seeing. And we have an extended beaver tail there, flat mainspring housing, heavy checkered, and smooth front strap. But a nice piece here, you know, with a 5-inch barrel that is a bull barrel, all right? Stainless steel, blackened barrel, and a full-length guide rod. Now, this is bushingless, so the disassemble is a little different. Ruger gives you two takedown pins, if you will. You may notice in the guide rod, it has a hole there. Many, primarily commander size 1911s break down like this, but I'm going to give you a little tip here. I just bent this paper clip. I'll put it up against the grip so you can see it. I just bent it 90 degrees. I'm going to put that there, and what that does is it compresses the spring. So as I release it, you can see that the slide is real easy to manipulate because the spring is compressed. I'm going to move it right around here. Where is it? You have to find that sweet spot and pull out the pin, and off comes the slide. So if that stays compressed, you can pull that out and get the link out of the way, and it just stays like that. So it makes it easy to disassemble, and then push that link down and out comes the barrel. Once again, no bushing to remove. And there is your barrel with the locking lugs in there. They are keeping everything nice and tight. But it's a nice, what am I doing? It's a nice shooting gun. I was able to hit my targets, no problem. As expected, you better be able to do that with a 1911. And I really did enjoy this. And the 10mm round, people think that it has a real heavy recoil and that it creates all types of issues with recoil management and things like that. I didn't find that at all. Now when you do this, it's also easier to keep it upside down. All right, and then you got to line up, find out where that link is, and there it is. There is no cutout on the back end of the slide stop pin, so you kind of have to ballpark it there. And then once you have it's set. You just need to pull back a little bit to get this paper clip out. And there you go. It's actually an easy process. No problem at all. And I really did enjoy this at the range. I look forward to many more range sessions with this Ruger SR1911 chambered in 10mm. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.